Hi guys, welcome back. Today I want to talk about a Fanttik electric screwdriver. Bought it from Amazon. I know everyone's busy. I'll tell you my final conclusion. If money not a problem, I'm gonna go with this one. You never get it wrong. It's very good design. I probably gonna give 4.5 star, but they do have some design flaws. Not big problem. I want to share with you at end of the review videos. First of all, I feel this is very handy. I feel very comfortable holding my hand. Not very bulky, just the right side. I feel the weight. And also the outside container is made out high quality aluminum. Very good. I also want to show you the length. It's a little bit longer than regular big pen, but very good. You can put it on your pocket, no problem. The way you want to open it up, you push the button, you push down. The first thing you're gonna pull those screwdriver out. Let's compare the size. It's roughly a little bit longer than the regular pen, but I really like the size. You can hold it just a little bit like a pencil, a little bit slimmer than your board dry marker. First of all, they have a few buttons. Let me get this one. And the other thing is, I also like the design of the bit container. There's a 50-bit here. The material for the bit container is actually made out high quality plastic. It's not necessarily aluminum. Since the case is aluminum, so the opportunity this one get damaged is very low. The other thing I want to mention that you can see the chamfer design on the container, also rounded corner, so that's why you feel very comfortable. The other thing is I don't like the very flat box container design versus this cubicle. So each row you only have 4 bits, so very easy to pull. Very easy to put it back. It's not mechanical holding, it just hold it by magnet. So you just put it back. Very simple, almost effortless when you put it out. One of the things I do like these kind of a S2 long shape bit. So let's put it out. If you put it inside, there's the UI design, user interface design is very straightforward. There are only 2 buttons. This is the forward button. When you push the forward button, it automatically lighting the LED. The LED is very strong. It's 4 LED lights. The other competitor's product only have 3 LED, but you definitely want to go with 4 LED lights. You put it. The first button is forward button. The second one is backward button, and they also allow you to switch low and high gear. So if you see here's a high, H means high gear, that means low gear. So right now I'm on high gear. So how much torque you get? Feel it. It's really hard to stop it. It's rotated fast. For the low gear, you can see it's slowly, much slow. I can almost just slow down sloppy. So if you put it in the middle, that's kind of lock position. That's not in. You can using the manual way to get the bolts or nuts get out of it. The other thing is I want to emphasize. Sometimes you see some other design have a push button which allow you have 3 gear mode or 5 gear mode. Honest with you, based on my experience, you don't need that many gear. Low, high, that's all you need. And the other thing is you can switch just within a second. You never get it wrong. You only two choices, never get it wrong. Most of my computer repair job, you just need a low gear for slow operation, more dedicated job. High gear, you want to do a job faster. That's it. That's all you need. So I really like this simple UI design and slimmer design of the driver. The other thing I want to show you, there's some other features which I like. It is on the slots right here. They also has a magnetizer and demagnetizer. In case if you want to pick up some of those the small component, I'll just using the magnetizer. I put this in this with a U plus. I put it over here. Just magnetize it. Just circling around. I'll see if I can pick up this one. So yep, I almost pick it up. Almost pick it up. And then if you don't need a magnetization, you can put on the other slot, demagnetize it. Demagnetize it, that's totally you're not gonna pick it up. Okay, all right. So that's the built-in magnetizer, demagnetizer. I also want to tell the other feature with they also have 2 hidden tools right over here. One is the tweezer. They also has a very good protector. So this is mechanical tweezer. This is a sponger. Put it back. Perfect. Now it's holding everything in place. That's all what I like. There are two things I don't like. I want to warn you. Bought this in August, so right now it's in November. It's about a 3 months usage. After the 3 months usage, I noticed one of the heavily used the bit right over here. You can spot it, a little corrosion spot right over here. So this is kind of after 3 months of heavy usage. This one is typical the most I'm using it. So there's a corrosion coating need to improve on the bit design. The second thing I don't like is this one is very good smooth surface. I'm holding it, but the downside is if you leave this unintent, eventually that could free roll and fall off your desk. So that's the only problem that I have. Some design have oval shape or have more unsmooth surface. If you leave the screwdriver, they stay there. But this one is sometimes because beautiful round shape, they're gonna roll, they're gonna free roll and eventually fall off. And after that, if you put everything back, you put this body insert, put it on, and then you put the screwdriver back. So I think overall, as I said early on, this is a very good quality. You have 50 drill bit that cover most of the case. Only two downside, which is not a major issue. One is the round shape of the pin that may have a free roll and fall off your desk. The second reason is after 3 months usage, I do find some corrosion spot on one of those drill bit. All right, guys. Bye. See you next time.